So you're thinking about a game show. A game show is a great way to use either generic trivia or you can do custom branded themed trivia for the clientele. We boast several different options of game show types. We have the friendly Feud, like the family Feud, and that's a face-off podium. We have game show Mania, which is our iconic main one because we use sound bites from different eras and it's sound bites with questions, and it's just kind of the party environment game show. And then we have Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, we have Wheel of Fortune, and we have Jeopardy. You're gonna watch at this event, you'll see the Jeopardy style. Jeopardy comes with a couple monitors, it comes with 3 podiums and a controller operator. You'll see that we mix custom questions directly into generic questions so that it makes it fun for all types. So what we're gonna see today is we're gonna see a progressive game. And you can do full games, start and stops all day long, or you can go progressive, and progressive looks like you have 3 podiums themed for 3 different teams, which is you have freshman, junior varsity, and varsity, of which they're gonna be able to play throughout the night. So there's no pressure, it's not putting a lot of pressure on 1, 2, 3 people. We let people play in teams of 2 and 3 so that it takes kind of the squeeze out of it. If you're not an extrovert, but you have good trivia, you can get freaked out being by yourself. So we let the extroverts and introverts kind of connect, party up together, and they get to play and they usually make a good team. So you'll see this progressive thing happening, and this can be done in all the different game show variables. Whatever the game show you choose, we can make the podium a team thing, or we can make it a team thing that's changing every 8 to 15 minutes. The way we're gonna play today is you're gonna see every 15 minutes a group change, and we're gonna play for an hour-ish, and then we're gonna have the crescendo end for the championship round, and then we'll be giving out some prizes and such to the final winning team.